President William Ruto ni umwe wa atongoria aria mari kigomano-ini kia Italy na Africa mucini wa Rome. Muoroto munene wa kigomano giki ari kumurika unyitaniri honge itiganite ari ni hamwe na irio cia kuigana, githomo, hinya uria tuhuthiraga, thogori gatagati ka mabururi maya hamwe na mangĩ. Kigomano giki gikirehe ma president kuma mabururi 20. Utuko wa ira thutha wa gucemania na kaji ya mabururi ma RURAYA igie kuigithia gitaru-ini kia mabururi ma Africa na maria ma kiarafu. President Ruto ni aratamburukirie mieke iria iriho ya uigithia, agikinyiriria muigithia o wothe uratanya kuona matunda thiku ciguka. Maitho make mabatie gukorwo makimurika gitaru kia Africa.
Many our country are watching what you are doing and supporting what you are doing, because the stability and security of Africa is stability and security of the continent.
Till the lion learned to write a story, all stories glorified the hunter.
Yes.
There was a time Africa was profiled as the continent of conflict, disease, poverty, and war. I want to tell you that we have a new definition of Africa. It is the continent of opportunity, great potential, and a great future.
Kuringana na Ruto, gugikinya mwaka wa 2050, kwota ya andu thiini wa thi magakorwo magiikara gitaru-ini kia Africa, akiuga ena uma utonga uria uri gitaru-ini giki na uhotithia Africa gutoria makumbi na kugunika hanene.
Any business person, including Kemal, if you're looking as a business person, you must think about the market.
Yes.
The market will be in Africa shortly. We are having a new conversation about our continent. We are very confident that the resources we have in our continent, if they were complemented by the technologies that we have in this part of the world and the financing that we can all put it together, we can forge a win-win outcome.
Ishara-ini riake President Ruto no aratanywa gucemania na President wa Italy Sergio Mattarella niguo guthurima ngirimitiria mabururi maya meri gagwikiranira ica-ini ikuhi. Mwaka muhituku Ruto ni amenereirie mutugo wa mabururi kiumbe gwitagia GIKARO na mabururi mothe 54 ma gitaru kia Africa. Giki ari kio gitumi aheanire riria angatheirie kigomano kia Russia mwaka muhituku, na hihi akigeria kung'ethera ciuria iria iraumanire na gwikinya gwake kigomano-ini kia Italy rita riri. Ndumiriri-ini yake President Ruto no arakinyiriirie murugamo wake wigie GIKARO ici, no na gukiri uguo aretetera ni ngurani mutabarira-ini wa mucemanio uyu na muonere wake wa maundu hoka ni gwetha anja cia mathina matiganite. Atongoria aria angi mari kigomano-ini giki ni hamwe na President wa Somali Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, Prime Minister wa Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed, mutongoria wa Comoros uria ningi no we muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma gitaru kia Africa AU Azali Assoumani, gatagati kangi.
Presidente del Senato.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.